How to use trading fee rebate voucher in Binance. Now, this process or method is very easy. All you have to do at first is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Binance application via Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end. Open it up and then log in into your Binance account. Now, at your lower right, just simply tap on Home, and then at the top right, top left portion of your screen, you should see three lines. And there, just choose on Rewards Hub. And then in here, you can see your current points and as well as your current vouchers. For you to be able to claim uh, trading fee rebate voucher in Binance, just go into Reward Shop. And then if you get scroll down from here, you should be able to see a lot of rewards that you can claim for you to use the trading fee rebate voucher. So scroll down a bit from here. So as you can see, there is two USDC trading fee rebate vouchers bought, but this is going to be depending on your current points that you can use. Simply hit on claim and you should be able to use it on your next trading. That's it. That's how you use trading fee rebate voucher in Binance.